As a guest, you'll only see the items that have been specifically shared with you. Here, you'll see all of your shared tasks. To see only the tasks that have been assigned to you, click Me Mode in the upper right corner. If you have any shared folders and lists, you'll also be able to see individual views at the top of your screen. These help you see tasks differently and access other information, like a doc view or a conversation. To see everything that's been shared with you, just choose Shared with Me. If you have any other questions about ClickUp, just let us know at help@clickup.com.